and I promise you that this will be forever. Yeah. All the memories that we have, I will never forget. Being part of this, you know that we will never regret. Because our relationship and brotherhood will never stop. There's no one that's stopping us because this is how we fight. Yeah. You're the past and the memories of our days when we were younger. Then you will just be amazed of how we grow together. Treat each one a brother. When one falls, y'all, everyone will suffer. You see, we ain't here for any of your banners. As long as we complete and we jive with one another. That's how we roll, shorty. Work with your souls. No one can bring us down just to reach our goals. All the memories that we have, we will never forget. And being part of this, you know that we will never regret. Because our relationship and brotherhood will never stop. There is no one that's stopping us because this is how we fight. We faced all those different conflicts. We proved them all wrong and showed how we click. Through thick and thin, there's a chance to win. All for Christ's life without sin. That's why I think twice of what could have been. If I wasn't in this class, I'll get this cross under my chin. Time flies fast and we know that this won't last. But in our hearts are the memories